Welcome to Tip of the Week, and today's tip is tracking tooling usage. Tracking tooling usage could mean where do we find specific track records of a specific component, which tool assembly did it go on, or the same for a specific tool assembly that could go on which setup sheet. That really helps you to look at the complete utilization records and usage records of your components, complete tool assemblies, and also helps to create your certain specific setup sheets on certain, job records that you need and help you to be more efficient. So right from here, we can go the same way, and this is why I love the new interface with the widgets. We have, as a first step, the single components. We can quickly look with a single click on the utilization record of the specific component, and it shows you on which tools it has been used, as it says here on tool number 1. If you're not sure what tool number 1 is, you can just simply click quick and look at the quick bill of material of the specific tool and what everything is part of this. So all the information you need is right in here. You can now X out, go back to your component, and you know now this has been used on tool number 1. We know exactly what tool number 1 is and what it can do. As another step, we can now go to step number 2 with the tool assembly. We can now quickly track what's happening with the specific tool assembly itself. Where is it being used? So right here we see it's being used on that specific user's setup sheet. We want to know what that setup sheet actually entails and what the job is for. Once again, in one single click, you get all the information you need about the specific tool and the actual setup sheet. That being said, yes, we have the same opportunity on step number 3, which is the setup sheet. That really helps you on looking. That setup sheet has what type of tools in there, and maybe those tools have been used on different levels of setup sheet, or the setup sheet, for example, has gone on which specific machine. So right here on 3 different levels, you can look at your complete tool tracking of the usage and utilization. That being said, full efficiency, full track record of every component and every step of the way of your tool crib. Thank you very much for joining another session on Tip of the Week, tracking tooling usage and utilization records. Appreciate your time, and please visit our zoller.info to see the video again and all the others we did so far for Tip of the Week. And please reach out to us as usual for a specific demo on what we presented today on zoller.info. As usual, social media is always available for you too.